What's good, everybody? Crypto God NYC here, back with another tutorial. We got Birdeye.So. So this is not a beginner tutorial, just for you guys to know. This is more of an advanced tutorial, high risk. You know, a lot of these coins that you're about to see are very low market cap. Not a lot of money in there, possible rugs. But this is how you find the meme coins, and you find certain potential coins on different networks and a couple other stuff, right? So this is the website. You can see right here, it shows you different ecosystems that you could check out. We're going to check out the Solana network, right? So we have profitable traders. So this list right here. So we're going to click on this person right here, open it up. It's verifying if I'm a human. I might not be. I don't know. I might be a robot. And we could see what this person is doing. We could see that, you know, where their positions are and their change balance. This guy just negative everywhere, right? And we can see the trade history. We can see what trades this person is doing. So this person is liquidating everything, putting it back into Solana. You know, we just hit the 69,000. So a lot of people will be moving back their coins back into Solana. See this guy, they transferred from MIM to USDT, USDT to USDC, USDC to MSOL, the MSOL to Sol to Dog with Hat, yeah, whatever, you get it. But yeah, this is what you could check out. You could stalk some profiles and see what they got going on their, you know, in their trades and stuff. Cool. We can see the performance chart, right? Go down here, we could see find some gems. We got Dog with Hat doing some numbers right now. We got Bonk over here, Jupiter. You know, these are high volume coins in the past 24 hours, the top gainers. You can check them out right here. We can see the large trades which are happening in the Solana ecosystem right here as well. And yeah, that's about it for right there. Okay, so let's see. Let's log in with our MetaMask. Normally, might not have hold on. I might not be able to do this. Yeah, I can't do that. But let's go to another area. We're gonna click on trade. We're gonna go to limit order, right? And right here is where you could sell and buy your Solana or whatever coin you want to buy. Let's say I want to buy some guac. Click on guac. I could swap my guac if I connect my wallet right here. All right. So nice little setup. Easy to trade. All you gotta do is connect your wallet. I've been using it for about 2 months now. Very good website. Shout outs to my guy Birdeye. Put me on Shiba Boys. That's my guy right there. Put me on here, and ever since then I just been messing around on this website. So, you know, check it out. See what coins you could find. Normally people just check the large trades, see where the money's going, find the gems, do what you gotta do, right? Make sure you like, comment, and share, and also subscribe. You already know. You could also do limit orders. Always remember that limit orders are always needed. You could pick the price where you want to go in, pick the price where you want to go out, and call it a day.